Today, I'm going to cover the OCR functionality within CaseGuard Studios. Now, what is OCR? OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It is the process that converts an image containing text into a machine-readable text format. As for the reasons to use OCR processing, you might need to use it for text on a scanned document that isn't being read properly, a document itself that was poorly OCR'd originally, or there are images embedded in a document that contain text. In this scenario, the scanned document isn't being properly read by the system. If you looked here, the Find and Redact tool cannot find any words even typed out within the document, such as the word "and". Let's fix that. To OCR within CaseGuard, you'll need to click on the OCR Document icon on the left side of the screen. When you do, a pop-up appears. Now you should see two sets of options. The first will let you choose between the OCR processing only the scanned pages and the OCR processing all types of pages, such as machine-generated and scanned. The second set of options let you choose what pages you want to run the OCR on, whether it be all pages or specific page range. For now, let's go ahead and click All Pages, and then click Process OCR. Below you should see the OCR processing with a loading bar. Now that that's complete, you should be able to use the Find and Redact tool, search specific words, and redact them. Furthermore, you can go into the OCR Document icon, click on it, and you should see that this document has now been OCR'd by CaseGuard Studio on pages 1 and 2. Hope this helps.